Are you ready to start a new business in Arkansas but don't know where to start? Don't worry, it's easy. I will give you a step-by-step guide to registering an LLC in Arkansas, which will include preparing the proper forms, correctly naming your LLC, registering your LLC, and other crucial details involved in the whole process. Make sure you stick with me until the end, as I will give you access to my free business startup success checklist. Part of this complete guide will reveal my trustworthy registered agent who will help set up your LLC for free and save you time and money. Step 1. Name your LLC. Your LLC name has to be unique, not just for legal reasons. Your business name will reflect your brand. It either has to be catchy or easy to remember. Just do a search on the Arkansas Secretary of State Business Name Database or click on the link in the description box. This page contains all the businesses registered in the state of Arkansas. Type in the business name you want to use. If there are no matches found, that means that you're free to use it. If it shows a list of duplicates, you have to use a better name variation or think of another one that no one else is using. Next, and this is important, go to www.namechecker.com. This tool will help you check if your business name has a domain name available and other social media pages and platforms. You don't want to register an LLC name that someone is already using online. That will limit your marketing and online sales opportunities. You'd think that naming a company would be easy, but you really have to put more thought into it. Important tip: come up with an LLC name that will present well online and be relevant enough to use as online tags and domain names. This is important so online users can find you when they search online for products or services that they need. Online users have many choices and get bored quickly, so make sure that your LLC name will get their attention. No matter how good your products are, you will have a hard time selling if people don't click on your page. Imagine this: if online users are to choose between these two coffee shops, the coffee shop or the Groovy Brew Shop, people are more likely to click on the Groovy Brew Shop and buy from them. Your business name really matters. Before I go off topic, the laws in Arkansas require you to add LLC or limited liability company to your registered business name. You can't use terms like corporation, corp, inc, or anything else that could mislead people about your business type. Using words like bank or attorney in your business name would require more paperwork. Adding these words would also require a licensed professional as part of your LLC. Although it isn't a state requirement, you can pay $22.50 to reserve your chosen business name for 120 days just to make sure that nobody else gets it before you get the chance to register it as your own. Download it using the link in the description box below. You can thank me by liking and subscribing to this channel. Step 2. Choose a registered agent. The state of Arkansas requires all LLCs to choose a registered agent who will be the point of contact to receive important business documents like tax warnings, subpoenas, and other official papers. While it's okay to appoint yourself or trusted friends and family members, I recommend a professional registered agent that has the knowledge and experience needed to manage potential issues and protect your business at all costs. This will get some responsibilities off your hands and allow you to focus on running a successful business. The registered agent must also be available during business hours and must have a physical address to receive official mail. A PO box will not suffice. A registered agent's address is shown on public records, so you don't want to use your home address. I recommend you use a professional service like AnytimeMailbox.com for this purpose. Their services include physical addresses you can use, scanning your mail, and forwarding them to your home or business address for a small fee. Why bother with the small details when you can have a professional service like Anytime Mailbox do the work for you? I have a special link in the description box below. Hiring a registered agent is not expensive if you're worried about the cost. You can get a registered agent for free if you pay a service to register the LLC. I highly recommend Zen Business. Their service can help you register your LLC and provide a registered agent as part of their package at no extra cost. They will also provide a dashboard where you can keep a close track of all the documents and correspondence that the agent receives. Believe me, their easy-to-use tools will save you plenty of time and hassle. Feel free to check out my link on Zen Business if you're interested in signing up for their service. Step 3. File the Arkansas LLC Certificate of Formation. One of the most crucial steps in this process is filing the Arkansas LLC Certificate of Formation. You can do this through the Business Services Division under the Secretary of State. It usually costs $45 for online applications and $50 for in-person or mail submissions for domestic LLCs. It costs $300 for foreign LLCs. What's the difference? A domestic LLC means that you're an Arkansas resident who wants to build a business in Arkansas, while a foreign LLC means that you live outside Arkansas but would like to build a business or start a franchise of an existing business in Arkansas. You can submit your form along with a name reservation form through mail, or you can submit them online. The process can take 2 to 3 weeks, so if you want to expedite the process to 2 to 5 business days, you can pay an extra $100. That gets you much closer to starting your operation, so if you can afford it, that may be a great idea. Step 4. Prepare an operating agreement. The state of Arkansas does not require LLCs to have an operating agreement, but it is a good business practice to have one. Having a document that will guide all company members, especially co-owners, directors, managers, and even new hires, is always better. An operating agreement outlines every critical process that needs to be followed, especially regarding big picture issues. These issues may include, but are not limited to, allocation of earnings and losses in case the company is dissolved, decision-making process and voting rights, transfer of membership interest, profits and losses, and any other concerns that impacts the business overall. This is why using Zen Business to set up your LLC is great. They will help you with the 3 previous steps for free, and if you decide to use Zen Business to set up your LLC, they can also help you with the operating agreement document for only $125. This will save you a lot of time and will ensure that you have all the correct documents ready for the registration process. Writing an operating agreement is not easy. I believe it's better to let the experts do it for you. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. Next, we need to get an EIN for your LLC. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is a federal tax ID issued by the IRS to your company. Your EIN is used by the IRS to readily identify your firm on tax filings. All Arkansas firms pay a business privilege tax, and the state requires you to have an EIN to file. You may also be required to provide an EIN when opening a bank account or applying for permits and licenses. Obtaining an EIN is a slightly longer process compared to the previous steps. I'm sure you know that anything to do with the IRS is confusing and tedious. You need to have complete knowledge of your LLC all the way down to the small critical information regarding vehicular assets and federal excise taxes. This is another reason why working with Zen Business is beneficial for you and your business. For an additional fee of only $99, they will take care of the steps for you so you can focus on important matters like planning and running the actual business. You can click on this link in the description below to get access to Zen Business' one-of-a-kind offer, a free starter package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. You only have to pay the state filing fees of $50 or $300, which you would have to do anyway if you choose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge you for their service fee on top of the state filing fees. Zen Business does not collect this fee. I do recommend Zen Business 199 Pro package to everyone if you have the money, as it will save you a lot of time and hassle. The Pro package includes faster filing, operating agreement, and a worry-free compliance where they will help submit your annual reports. For an even faster 1 to 2 day processing time with all the bells and whistles, you can go up to the $299 premium plan, which also provides you with a domain name, a website, and a business email. This would be perfect for a business that want to have that online presence. There are still a few more steps to complete your business setup. However, it may drag this video out too long, so I have condensed everything into an actionable step-by-step business startup success checklist that you can grab from here for free. Now, if you have decided to start with Zen Business, I recommend you watch this next video. However, if you're happy to do it all yourself, then this video is the next one you need to watch. And I'll see you in the next video.